Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you edit your username in the Apple Music application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your right corner and there you will find three dots. Press on it and here you should select the second option, which is account. After doing so, you can see here, up there, your full name. In this case, it's Nick Nicholson. You can just press edit right next to it. And here you can edit your name. For example, you write in Nick Nicholas Nicholson. And all you have to do now is just press continue. Now you have to wait a little bit. And you can see that your name was refreshed. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.